Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. Did you know that you can turn your Windows 11 PC into a Wi-Fi hotspot and share its internet connection with your phone, tablet or another computer? Windows 11 has a built-in mobile hotspot feature, so you don't need to install any third-party software. In this video, I will show you how to create and configure a Wi-Fi hotspot on Windows 11. So let's get started. First, open settings. You can do this by pressing Windows plus I on your keyboard. In settings, click network and internet from the left side. Now click the mobile hotspot. Here you will see the mobile hotspot settings. First, look at the option called share my internet connection. From, select the internet connection that you want to share by clicking the drop down menu. For example, if your PC is connected to the internet through Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi from the list. Next, make sure that the share over option is set to Wi-Fi. You can click and choose here. Now let's customize the hotspot. Before turning it on, expand the properties option in case it is not already expanded. After that, click the edit button. Here you can change the network name, which is the name that other devices will see when they search for available Wi-Fi networks. You can also create a network password. Enter a password that is difficult for others to guess. You can also choose the network band depending on your hardware. You may see options such as 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz or an automatic option. After making your changes, click the save button. Now return to the mobile hotspot settings page by saving it, and after that turn this one mobile hotspot to on. Windows 11 will now start broadcasting your PC as a Wi-Fi hotspot. To connect another device, open its Wi-Fi settings and look for the network name you just created. Select the network, enter the password and connect. Once the device is connected, Windows 11 will show the number of devices currently connected to your mobile hotspot. There is also a quicker way to turn the hotspot on or off. For that, click the network, volume or battery area on the Windows 11 taskbar to open quick settings. Now look for the mobile hotspot option. Now look for the mobile hotspot option. Clicking on it will turn the hotspot on or off. If you don't see the mobile hotspot button, you may need to add it to quick settings. One more useful feature is that Windows 11 can display a QR code in its mobile hotspot settings. This allows another compatible device to scan the code and connect without manually typing the password, and that's it. This is how you can turn your Windows 11 PC into a Wi-Fi hotspot and share its internet connection with other devices. The future can share on available Wi-Fi, Ethernet or cellular internet connection depending on what is available on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to GearUpWindows and click the bell icon for more Windows 11 and Windows 10 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.